Yeah.
It looks awesome.
Came here with the sisters and sister-in-laws.
Did you meet any of the
To go see. Once I was a Beehive, I'm here with Zader. He's directing us where to go.
We've been driving.
And we got Marie here and Karen. And Connie should be here in a minute. And we're going to go in and watch. Davey and April are hosting. And Elise and Judy went over to Jordan Landing and had to come back to Jordan Commons. Yeah.
So are you going to CVX Live?
Yes, I'll be there tomorrow. Are you going?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Me and Daisy are going, and Ambry and Ender are probably staying at Essence.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, and so we got the
Grandma.
Gator 14.
Grandma.
Oh, look at you. Wow. That's a good way. You lift your own weight. Oh, you got your cowboy boots on. Okay, we're getting ready to go in. I've got Andrew. We got the kids here. We found Judy and Jen. I think they all went to the bathroom. Do potty break. That's what looks different. You have makeup on. Ah, looks pretty. Yeah. Only for April. I'll do makeup for April.
I do. I will make up for her.
Yeah. Oh, you are heavy. Ah. Oh, is this where you want to sit? Where are you going? Oh, right. X-nay.
Potty partner. I'm going with her.
Okay, maybe I should go too. Hey, well, okay, we're at the theater. Davey and April have announced hashtag to Once I Was a Beehive, and there's April, Hair 101 up there. Right up there on the screen. Look at that.
Let me ask just a second.
April doing her hair. Up there on the screen, and the kids right there. Hey, Ender. Oh.
You love your mommy.
Okay, we got all the sisters here. We got quite a crowd to see Once I Was a Beehive. There's Mama up there, huh? April and Davey. Movie starting. We got our popcorn. Oh boy. Send it up to those guys. The power of picture. We got a lot. Huh? I'll keep it. Okay. We're gonna do. Okay, gotcha. Okay. All right, got a lot of people, friends here. Oh, it's still recording. Okay, we're ready for the movie. Woo! Okay, they actually have the real actresses and actors down there.
Any questions you want to ask before we get going to the audience? Is there any questions, burning deep questions you have?
Oh, there's so many questions. I never got to go to girls' camp,
April.
so this was so much fun for me to watch. Okay, so first of all, let's just pound it really quick. Just so funny.
And I just finished doing the Saratov approach. If you guys saw that one, I hope. And I said I want to do another movie, and we kind of talked about it. And I said, well, Lisa, you can tell the rest.
Well, I said I want to do a movie about girls' camp because I don't get it. Like, what's the big deal with girls' camp? And I said, oh, I can't do that. It's too special. And he said, that's the response I get. But everybody's got all these funny stories and inside jokes. And his mom, Leslie, had been our stake, in fact, at my stake, camp director. And as we started talking about it, the more and more we shared stories about, and also with Haley, who plays Holly in the movie, we started exchanging stories, and the more we talked and the more we laughed, we thought, oh, we have to make this movie.
I'm going to put some on Me too.
Okay, we're doing the meet and greet. We got to meet the ranger guy. Yeah, we'll get a picture. Okay, so we got to meet everybody on the cast. It was very good. There's Judy. Oh my gosh. Yeah. And here's Roxy.
Because there's a bunch of us.
Are you Bree? You look more blonde in the movie.
Yeah, I am.
And are you? Wait, were you in it?
No, she's getting signed.
Now they're actually signing stuff.
Oh, I think I signed this backwards.
You signed it backwards? How can you tell?
I don't know which
Oh, wow.
Hannah. I was like the Brooding Inks one. Had the they should start with all of them.
Pretty awesome. Oh, sign it in gold. So, oh, awesome.
Honestly, like I missed it every day. It was a lot of hard work. Like we all came best friends.
It's recording.
I have a friend.
And then you add on her and it's together. T-O-G to the E to the T. And then you add on her and it's together.
We are good. We are good. Oh, don't ever do that again. Ever.
My teenage boys love when I do.
You guys, nobody dinner with me. Hello. Do it again. Don't ever do that. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
I can say it. I'm not doing it.
Boom. So miss.
Try it again.
Don't ever do that. Oh, don't ever do that again. Everything is closed, all the ice cream places, but we want ice cream super badly. So we ended up at Maverick. I mean, what else is there? You know, Maverick. What do we got here at Maverick? Tell us. Do an advertisement.
Famous yogurt ice creams. Is that the same thing? Yogurt and ice cream?
Frozen. Wait.
They don't have frozen yogurt. They only have iced coffee. If you guys are iced coffee.
We can't even find.
What about an ice
Do they have ice cream bars in the freezer?
Yeah.
All right, let's go see.
I'm sure they
Now,
usually
we're
have
down.
ice cream
They've got the
bars.
for real shakes.
Okay.
You can you put them in, they mix them up. And then they've also got
Go show us the way. Show us how to do this. Wait.
or come see these.
Okay, come over here. What do we got here? Iced coffee.
You got the for real smoothies. You take them
Oh.
and you put them in here.
Oh, let's do that.
It all up.
Show us how to do it though, because
I don't know if that's what I want, but that's what it's
But that
You
sounds-
take all of your ices.
Oh, they got Slurpee thingers.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this
Ah.
white watermelon looks really good.
Coming through the right.
Watermelon, cotton candy, Dr. Pepper, blue bahuma.
Blue Bahulu. Okay. Okay, we're testing. Is it good?
No, it's all right.
It's all right. Cotton candy.
Have mango.
Well, what? Did you get a napkin for Karen? Okay, so we're going for the.
What's it called? For
I
real?
got my raspberry
Yeah, we'll taste it.
pomegranates.
That's really good. Okay, I'll go pay for it.
That's because they're big.
Where did you get a lid? That's a straw. Looks like a cigar or something.
For real?
No.
Whoa, it's coming down.
Oh, what do I do? What do I do? Oh no.
I want to
Take it.
taste it.
Okay. Okay, get a taste. See if it's good.
It's a big straw.
Regular, please.
You have to push the button.
Regular.
I know, that's why I'm laughing.
thickness.
Regular, please.
And I want it red.
Red.
That's pretty cool.
That is cool.
I couldn't decide. That's super good.
We all live together